Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mary's Creative Decor. Hello, everyone. Here's a look at the items that I'll be using for today's project. I have these two cylinder vases that I picked up from Bailey's on my trip there a couple months ago, and they were $1.49 each. They're very pretty on their own, but we're going to add this candle, 50 cents from Goodwill, and these I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I also have my hot glue gun. I have my E6000. And I have my fix-all glue, and I also have some mastic. I'm not sure which glue I'm going to use, probably the E6000. I have some gems I may or may not use today. And I have my Mosaic mirror tiles. I have them in the mirror color silver, and I also have them in the gold. And I'll be using both of those, I'm sure of, today. And last, I have some glitter gold tape. I'll be using this. So I'm not going to waste any time. I'm going to go ahead and get started. I've already cleaned and took the stickers off my Dollar Tree candle holders. Now I want to take my E6000 and glue them together. I'll also use a little hot glue for that fast adhesion. Now that I have them glued, I'm going to set them aside and let them dry. While the glue is drying, let's start to work on the vases. I've also cleaned them and we're ready to embellish them. The first thing I want to do is start with my tape, and I want to tape my glitter tape to the vase. I decided to add the tape on a slight angle, so I will be cutting the tape on an angle. Now I'm going to take my mirror tile in the silver, and I'm going to cut it in 4 rows, and I'll be adding it on the same angle as I added the tape. And this is what it's looking like. Very, very pretty. Even though it was beautiful, I decided to go ahead and add a little bit more gold. So I'm going to take the ribbon and I'm going to do a crisscross on it. And here is what it looks like after it was done. I'm liking this a lot more, so I'm going to go ahead and do the other one. Without showing you everything, I am going to show you how I crisscross the gold tape on this particular one. I decided not to cross them, but to cut them at the intersection. So I know it's a little out of focus, but before I crossed over the tape, all I did was folded it back, and you can use your scissors or your X-Acto knife to cut it on that angle before it crossed over the tape. This cut back on some of the bulkiness. And here's a closer look at it. This worked out much better for me, and it cut down again on that bulkiness. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes and I have a tongue twister. The base should be dry enough to add the vase. So I'm going to take my E6000 and glue the vase to the base. Because it's clear, I want to make sure I don't leave any glue on the inside, and I also want to make sure that I glue it as straight as possible. Now it's time to embellish the base of my vase, and I'm just going to use my gold and my silver mirrored mosaic tiles to do so. Now I could use the gems, but I decided to keep it simple and just use the mosaic tiles to go around a few parts of the vase. I'm going to use the gold mosaic tile to go around the bottom, and then a few of the silver ones to go around the middle. And I'll be back to show you the reveal. And here are my vases complete. They turned out absolutely beautiful. And here's a closer look at the bottom of the vase. I did add that mirror tile in an angle position just like I did on the top part of the vase. And for a closer look at the tape, here is where I cut the tape as opposed to crossing over. And over here is where I crossed over, and you can see the thickness of the tape. And yes, I did do the pumpkins on the table too. I did do them off camera because I had done other pumpkins before, but they're absolutely beautiful and they work really well in my dining room. So if you're out there watching and you've enjoyed this content, it's time to hit the subscribe button. And don't forget the notification bell so you'll be aware of all of my upcoming videos. Let me say thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.